Dream House of Mr. and Mrs. Aurelio. Hello po sa lahat, welcome back po ulit sa ating YouTube channel, OFW Simple House Vlog. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. House floor plan, 17,000 pesos with building permit, 9.5 by 10 meter, 95 square meter, total floor area. Mayroon pa itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Area site, lot 140 square meter. Binigay ng parents ni ma'am sa kanilang mag-asawa. Start building a house, March 20, 2019. Matibay po ang paggawa nitong bahay. 6 na 12 mm na bakal ang ginamit bawat poste. This house is located in Barangay Lungos, Kalayaan, Laguna, Philippines. Itong bahay ay mayroon din pong tie beam. Labor rate po natin sa Laguna, Philippines, mason 600 per day, labor 400 per day, free snacks and 2 times a day. Making for roof beam. House structural, umabot po ng 280,000 pesos with labor. Start installation, steel trusses of the house. Steel trusses, 40,000 pesos. Materials only. Materials delivery, rib type color of blue color. Two roll insulation foam, 5,200 pesos. Start installation roofing. Roofing materials. Mayroon pa itong unit price. Kunan nyo lang po ng idea. Gumamit po pala sila dito sa roofing ng kanilang bahay ng rib type color roof, 0.50 mm ang kapal. 5 pieces door jamb, 1,600 each, total of 8,000 pesos. Ceiling o kisame materials. Gumamit po pala sila dito ng smart board. Mayroon po itong unit price. Kunan nyo lang po ng idea. Making for flooring of the house. Rib type color roof and ceiling, 90,000 pesos, materials only. Steel trusses, materials, 40,000 pesos, Roofing and ceiling materials, 90,000 pesos. Labor cost, contract, 55,000 pesos. Total of 185,000 pesos. Itong bahay po pala ay ginawa noong March 20, 2019 hanggang May 10, 2019. Sa ganitong picture, umabot po ito ng 650,000 pesos. Nitong January 2020, pinagpatuloy nila ni Sir ang pagpapagawa ng kanilang bahay. Gate, 10,000 pesos with labor. Kitchen area, 3 bedrooms. Nagpakabit na rin po sila ni Sir ng electricity. Sliding windows and 1 toilet door. 50,000 pesos ang bili ni Sir with labor. Tiles installation. Painting inside of the rooms. Shoutout po pala tayo. Shoutout po sa lahat. Shoutout to Ma'am GS Kitchen Vlog. To Ma'am Linji Dumisag watching from Saudi Arabia. To Ma'am Mariafi Kadina watching from UAE. To Sir Edmond Subilia watching from Japan. To Ma'am Eileen Francisco watching from Hong Kong. To Sir George watching from Jeddah. To Ma'am Sheena Navarro watching from Jordan. Shoutout po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang panonood. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless. Extension for toilet and dirty kitchen and laundry area. Flooring in the front of the house. Main door lock, 10,900 yen or 5,500 pesos. Master bedroom, lock, 10,000 yen or 5,000 pesos. Itong mga lock ng door ay binili po ni Sir sa Japan at pinadala lang po sa Pilipinas. House Blessing, August 15, 2020. Nalipatan na po ng family ni Sir ang bahay nila. Congrats to Mr. and Mrs. Aurelio for new home. Si Sir ay isang OFW sa Japan bilang isang plotting operator. 26 years old, more than 6 years na rin siyang abroad. Dati siyang OFW sa Taiwan. 3 years siya doon, may asawa at isang anak na lalaki from Laguna, Philippines. Building a house, 1.1 million pesos, 22,000 US dollar. Congrats Mr. and Mrs. Aurelio, Japan, OFW, Laguna, Philippines. Thank you so much mga ka-OFW. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please subscribe na sa Randy Yero YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit bell button for our latest updates.